And in the crash test, we use the human dummies, not the other things. That means the human dummies have multiple sensors inside that. Okay, and the dummies also, it will be select based on the regions. For example, the average height of the Japanese persons, it will comes around 5.4 inches or 5.5 inches. For Indian, okay, the average height it will be 5.7 or 5.8. Okay, average Indian woman height, okay, it will comes around 5.6. Okay, the average height of the US person, okay, it will becomes around 6 feet. So based on the each region, the men or the woman average height, they will select the dummy size. They will keep number of sensors, especially on the head area, neck area, shoulder area, pelvis area, upper thigh, lower thigh, wherever the injury happen, those area, they will keep multiple sensors. They will absorb how much energy absorbed by each sensor. If the head absorbs high energy, that means head injury will be high, that leads to passenger's death. Okay. If the shoulder or the lower thigh area impact is very high, that means the permanent disability will happen. So based on the energy absorbed by each sensor, okay, they will define the points. Okay. Okay. If the injury, if it is less than 10 percentage, then they will give 5-star. If the injury level it's keep on increasing, the energy absorption level, if it keep on increase, they will keep on reducing the star rating. Okay, accumulative of each crash test, they will have some points. Okay, out of 17 or out of this overall the vehicle, they have some 42 or 45 points. Okay, so if we achieve 40 or 40 plus points, then they will give 5-star rating to that vehicle. So these are some points here. You can see the 45 points which are explained, 16 for the adult safety and 29 for the child safety. So this one, this Tata Ultras has been achieved a 5-star rating for adult safety. This is the test result. This is Euro NCAP test result for Tesla model. Okay. So you can go to this kind of sites. Each vehicle, what is the star rating for each criteria, the testing video, the testing report, everything you can see. Okay. You can go through the site whenever you have some time. Same way, the global NCAP. Okay, this global NCAP. Okay, we have for India vehicle, they have a program called Safer Car for India. Here you can check the crash test for each and every vehicle. The result you can download or the crash test video you can see. These are some of the result for each and every vehicle. Okay, as I mentioned, okay, here this is the crash regulation sheet for your reference. Okay, here you can see the regulation number for each and every test for India, Australia, China. Okay, for Europe, here you can see what is the testing speed for each test. Okay, this hybrid one all the dummy numbers. Okay, so what kind of test? Okay, what kind of testing regulation number? Everything you can see from this sheet. This is FMVSS. It's a Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard. So this US they have been followed this regulation. For India, we are following global NCAP. So this all just brief about the crash test or the crashworthiness. Have been used the casting material. That is called giga casting. They have a giga press. Okay. So the rear structure, they have been used this kind of uh, casting part. This is the area they have been used the giga casting part. Now in the frontal structure also they are using. All the area we can't use casting part due to the different purpose and the different requirement. Okay, this is very costliest one, the giga casting. Okay, though in order to reducing the overall vehicle mass and the quality, now they are migrating from BAW structure to the casting part. So that's why I'm explaining that this during the casting process, I'm not well much about the casting process. So this is the first time I've been I had this casting part in BAW structure through the Tesla. So I can't give the comment regarding that, Kiran. Let me check the casting process and what all the difficulties they have been faced in the Tesla. If I can some case study, then I will give some feedback about this process and other stuff. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your time.